Dear students, welcome to my class. So today I am going to read out another new chapter, that is memorable words. So you solve the answers from the video itself. So let's start this page. See here. Here are some very popular quotes from books. Put the correct letters to match them to the authors and books. So these are quotes from popular books, and the books are mentioned here along with the authors. So according to the letter, you just match the answers. You have to learn see here G is given, no, so the answer will be this one, Roald Dahl, and the name of the book is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So you have to learn the name of the book and the author. So let's read the quotes. So please, oh please, we beg, we pray, go throw your TV set away, and in its place you can install a lovely bookshelf on the wall. So this is a quote from the book Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. Next is, he had discovered a great law of human action without knowing it, namely that in order to make a man or a boy covet a thing, it is only necessary to make the thing difficult to obtain. So the answer is F. It will be, this quote is from The Adventures of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain. Next is, if everybody minded their own business, the world would go around a great deal faster than it does. This is a quote from the book Winnie the Pooh by A. Milne. Next is, it is our choices that show what we truly are far more than our abilities. E, the letter E. So the answer will be this one, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets by J.K. Rowling. Next is, if you live to be 100, I want to live to be 100 minus 1 day, so I never have to live without you. This is a quote from the book Winnie the Pooh, A. Milne. Next is, you have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself in any direction you choose. This is a quote from the book Oh, the Places You Will Go by Dr. Seuss. So I made a mistake here. This one number 3 answer. If everybody minded their own business, the world would go around a great deal faster than it does. So the answer will be the A one. So Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. And then number 4 will be, see, according to the letter you can match the answers. Okay, next one is, I love you right up to the and back. It is a quote from the book Guess How Much I Love You by Sam McBratney. Next is, we call them dumb animals, and so they are, for they cannot tell us how they feel, but they do not suffer less because they have no words. So this is a quote from the book Black Beauty by Anna Sewell. This portion no need to learn anything from here. So let's go to the discover portion. Read the lines, name the book, would you tell me please which way I ought to go from here? So this is a quote from a book. So here are two options. There are more lines, let me read it. That depends a good deal on where you want to get to. I don't much care where. Then it doesn't matter which way you go. So these are the 4 lines from a book, and there are 2 options of the book along with the author. So one is The Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling, and the other is Alice Adventures in Wonderland, Lewis Carroll. So the answer will be number B. So let's go to another chapter, Movies and Characters, page number 39. So here are the characters and these are the movies, and you have to match the characters along with the movies. So often characters from movies become very popular. Match the characters to their movies. So you solve the answers from the video itself. Number 1 is Mohan Vargava. Name of the movie is Swadesh. Next is Oro, Pa, Banku, Bhutnath, Peter Parker, Spider-Man 3, Kabir Khan, Chak De India, Naitiri, Avatar, James Bond, Quantum of Solace, Bella Swan, The Twilight Saga New Moon, Clark Kent, Superman, Jamal Malik, Slumdog Millionaire. So these are the characters and these are the movies. Next, this is a character of James Bond. So I will give some short questions from this fact. So James Bond is a fictional character created by writer Ian Fleming. The character appeared in 12 novels and 2 short story collections by Fleming. So this is a character. James Bond is a character which is created by Ian Fleming, and this character appeared in 12 novels and 2 short story collections by Ian Fleming. There have been 6 other authors who wrote certified Bond novels after Fleming's death. So after the death of Ian Fleming, more 6 authors also took the character of James Bond in their novels. So you have to read this fact portion. Next is name some actors who have played Batman. So the answer is Robert Lowery, Adam West and Michael Keaton. So you write it from here. So let's go to another page. Movie Magic, which is in page number 40. So here are total 10 celebrities, some Bollywood stars. So you have to learn 5 Bollywood stars which I have written. See, you can write the question in that chapter, in that page only, the way I have written. And these are the 5 which I have marked. One is Shammi Kapoor, Sharmila Tagore, Smita Patil, Rajesh Khanna and Neetu Singh. So you learn these 5 Bollywood stars and mark these 5 stars. And there are many others. So you no need to learn all this. You have to learn only 5 Bollywood stars. So this for today. Let's end the class here. So thank you.